me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to each of you gathered here for the celebration of College Day and Award Ceremony of 2025. A celebration of dreams, achievements and vibrant spirit that defines our campus life. Today, we come together to honor achievements, share memories and ignite inspiration for the road ahead. Before we move ahead, I would like to call upon Ms. Spandana to lead us in prayer. I request everyone to kindly raise. Which made an impressive entry into the field of professional education in the year 1996 by introducing the first university-affiliated design course in India. Since then, it has registered trailblazing track records of success. With a continuous success rate in almost all its courses and with placement for students after completion of the courses. The college today attracts students from all over India and also from foreign countries. Karavali colleges provide highly innovative, skill-oriented, university-affiliated courses which empower the new generation to get a right career break in their fields. The institution not only provides students with quality education but also groom them to face life with confidence. Excellence in education is the driving principle of Karavali College. No effort is spared in providing students with a focused academic environment which nurtures complete development of personality. College has registered continuous superlative performance by successively bagging maximum number of university ranks. Karavali colleges have 4 independent campuses at Kottara Chowki, Vamanchur, Neerumarga and Bengaluru with 40 courses. I would now request Ms. Saunjanya Jagadish to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, one and all. It's my proud privilege to stand before an auspicious gathering to welcome you all on behalf of Karavali Group of Colleges on this occasion. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, on this memorable moment. Now I request Mr. Shreyas to garland our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, as a token of our love and respect. We welcome you, sir. I would also like to welcome our dignitary, Srimati Lata G. Rao Ma'am, Director, Karavali Group of Colleges, Mangalore. Ma'am has always been a support to this Karavalian family with her ever-smiling face and has motivated us in every way for activities, showering her endless blessings on us. Now I request Ms. Neha to hand over a bouquet as a token of love and respect. I would like to gracefully welcome the administrator and principals of Karavali Group of Colleges. teaching staff and the one directly and indirectly concerned. A warm welcome to press and media people whose presence and coverage add value to our celebration. I welcome all the students of Karavalian family to the celebration of College Day.
Thank you, Saujanya. I welcome you too. As we proceed, we have come to the most important aspect of the inaugural function. It is with great honor I would like to call upon Srimati Lathaji Rao ma'am, the Director of Karavali Group of Colleges, and our Honorable Chairman Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, founder of Karavali Group of Colleges, to inaugurate and mark the beginning of today's session by lighting the lamp. And I request all the dignitaries to join them. Was born out of educational vision of our beloved chairman sir. Being futuristic, he could foresee the changes in the environment and make strategic move to build a better society. Enterprising, spirited and ever-smiling personality of Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, founder, chairman, Karavali Group of Colleges, is a classic example of hope, determination and achievements. His struggle and achievement have been richly rewarded and recognized. Sir's able, efficient and dynamic leadership has won widespread appreciation and is a recipient of several national and international awards given in recognition for his extraordinary service in the field of education, especially in the untapped professional areas. The influence of his vision and dreams permeates through every activity of ours. Now, I request our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao sir, to kindly address the young minds.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Karavali. Respected dignitaries on the dais, especially Director of the group, Madam Lathaji Rao, all the principals, administrator, members of teaching faculty, non-teaching faculty, and my dear sweet students. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the award winners or prize winners, especially Impana got third rank in aeronautical engineering, and all other students who have performed well in various extracurricular activities. And also I appreciate the organizers for conducting in a very decent and peaceful manner. Friends, the award ceremony. What is award? What is ceremony? Every day of our lives will be the celebration. You can see headlines last few days, heart attacks. And government also is, I don't know whether they're messing up or glorifying. Let me not talk negative. They're also taking measures to curb it. Reports are telling youngsters are dying because of heart attack. The basic problem, whether it's a heart attack, whether it is your blood pressure, whether it is any other tension and pressure, which some of you also say always are, even faculty members and principal also, they get pressured. The reason behind that, somewhere after KG class, all of us are busy in scoring, ranking, and there is no time for celebration. KG class, you got a prize. Just keep it run, next day tuition. 7th standard, you are running. Of course, now WhatsApp, etc., Insta, limited area. Friends, celebration is very important in life. For celebration, the money is not required. It is your mindset. You are celebrating your life. You are celebrating small things of your life. First train, first day of the college, a small picnic, each and everything. It may be sports day, it may be days like this. I watch when I'm entering, I should tell clap, afterwards you are clapping. It is not for me. I'm not a politician, don't worry, I'm not going to contest for the elections. Be happy and ensure that and see that people around you are happy. Always be happy. Thousands times I told you can be proud of yourself. There is no reason why you should develop both the complexes. One is superior complex. I am so and so. I am a rich man, my parents are rich, I have influence, this, that. Nothing will help you. I am telling you, record it somewhere in your brain. Nothing will help you unless otherwise you are creative. Unless otherwise you have made up your mind to enjoy, celebrate, excel and come out with flying colors. That is to lead. Everyone is leader in their own style. Even a first year boy or girl is a leader. You need not be a class representative or something like that. You lead your life properly, you are a leader. Leadership quality comes from within. You know to manage your day-to-day activities, morning till evening, what time should get up, what time you should read the college, how to manage your notes and class, how to manage your fun and celebration, how to manage your food and sleep. The leadership starts from the small things. Even one button open and close. Girls, one small hairstyle. It need not be expensive. Whenever we talk, where we fail, we compare with some film stars. They are paid by directors or producers, don't worry. Producers, not directors. It is the small things which makes life happy. Always be happy. Second important, today she got rank. We congratulate. Gold medal will be given to her. We are happy. Even the college would like to share the credit, but a major credit goes to the student. That is openly I am telling. Because of the college, because of the teachers, because of the everyone she might have done it, but I would like to give the credit to the particular student, because unless that student has made up her mind to excel, it is not possible. The hard work, dedication, commitment, sometimes sacrifice. She might have sacrificed 1 or 2 nights or few nights sleep. So students, always be proud of yourself. Don't compare. Okay, she got rank, what about others? You are not failures. She has excelled, great. If she continues that confidence in her life, she will be successful in her personal and professional life. Sometimes what happens, people excel a particular level, then it goes to their head. I will not compare you. I am telling you social life, political life. One becomes MLA, immediately wants to become CM. Then other 40 people, they will pull him down. Then he will be somewhere in the street. So with the business, so with the industry, so with your personal life also. Unless you are well connected to friends, classmates and juniors and seniors, nobody will like you. So the simple reason, don't compare with others. Somebody is good in studying, somebody can be, see when I call that boy, he came, many times they hesitate, they think what friends think. You are living for yourself. It is your life. Friends may appreciate, they may criticize, they may tease. Your age permits for that. It is a hanky-panky monkey age. What is that? Hanky-panky monkey, new word I am giving. Nothing wrong if you are little this side, that side. There is a team to handle you. There are teachers. The confidence on the spot, get up, sir is calling, I will go and do it. So with the teachers, so with the society. Whether you are traveling in a city bus or flight or train, it will not make it. The basic decency, law of the land, and end of the day, my happiness, my satisfaction. So don't compare. Somebody is good, somebody is bad, nothing bad. Nothing is good. It is a particular situation, contest, scenario, platform. What is good today need not be good tomorrow. What is bad today can be converted into good. Especially those who are weak in studies. My advice is very clear. God has given you an opportunity to upgrade yourself.
Now she scored rank in engineering. If she goes for M.Tech, let's she aim one more rank. If she go to industry, let she become team leader shortly. Why to take 3 years? 1 year only. It is possible. So my dear friends, the message of award ceremony is simple. Be yourself, be comfortable, enjoy your life. Finally, you decide whether you should win or lose. Once you decide that you have to win, no power of the world can stop you. You will be winner, whether you are boy or girl. Whether from which state, which subject, nothing. I will not talk anything about subjects. You have selected a subject of your choice, whether Ayurveda, engineering, hotel management or physiotherapy or nursing, it will not make any difference, or designing. What is required? This is a basic foundation. She completed her engineering. Only with the certificate she or other engineer students will not be successful. They have to make up their mind. My knowledge will be utilized within the framework in a dignified manner. For that, little more hard work, little more sincerity, little more sacrifice is required. All the IT people are not successful. All the IT people are not successful. All the doctors are not successful. All the nurses are not successful. They also suffer. Especially nowadays, the biggest problem is, one is this physical. Everybody is waiting when I will get sugar, when I will get BP, when I will have heart problem. If you see the local Karnataka channels, I feel, really bad. This size of people are waiting for a heart checkup all over Karnataka. It is a psychological problem. Now, if accidentally somebody says you are a sick person, they will behave like that. We should have the zeal, we should have courage to overcome if at all their problem. When you run, there is a small problem in the leg, you overcome it. You are suffering with a fever, you take medicine. You have heart problem, go for the normal exercise, eat little less, be happy, go for yoga, enjoy comedy shows, happiness, singing. It is not only the news channels which give, big sound. There are entertainment channels. You can enjoy. So you have to define yourself. With this, my dear friends, world is highly competitive. When your parents were of your age, there was little scope even to get admission to the colleges. Now you have open strip. Anywhere in India you can get admission. The CET and other things also, whether management or any other quota, you can get admission. The problem is competition. That time also competition was there, but it was less. Now the supply and demand, somewhere it is not matching. It is matching all over the globe. But if you take Karnataka only, I want to work, sometimes you may face the challenges. Or if you say, I will be only in India after 5 years, you can't say you have a better opening in some other country. Or vice versa, from some other country, people may come here. It's a global village concept. That is the reason always we say, don't talk about politics, don't talk about religion, don't talk about language, don't talk about region. We are all human beings, we are all citizens, that too, disciplined, law-abiding citizens. When that is a platform, when that is a framework, anywhere in the world you can survive. Once we think I am a Hindu, I am a Muslim, I am a Christian, I am Congress, BJP, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi. You are watching media, Hindi, non-Hindi. But what is the difference? Language is only a media of communication. So my dear friends, whatever prize you got, congratulations. Now I am going to distribute. It may be cooking without fire. It may be photography. It may be team, it may be so many other things, chess, carom, it may be cricket, it may be anything and everything. The intention of conducting that is to take out from you, because don't become gloomy and sad, sometimes not be very happy also. White shirt, specs. Okay, ninge. See, end of the day I am the chairman, unfortunately. You can't escape from my eyes, boys and girls. Leave it. Okay, so, say don't, make yourself, open up, be happy. God has blessed you to enjoy. That is my statement. What is the barrier? That is a law of the land, Constitution of India, law and order, religious and social restrictions, regional restrictions. If you obey these 4, no power of the world will touch. If you say, sir, chairman has asked to enjoy, you trouble others, police will take you. Or if you violate the law, there is an Indian constitution, there are courts. They will punish you. That is the reason my students always be happy, always be comfortable, and develop the, so many youngsters have this attitude problem. Why I should listen, why I should enjoy, why I should do like this. If somebody says, I will not do that. This negative thinking concludes with such problem. I was mentioning a heart attack. Because lifestyle, you don't walk, you don't run, you don't speak. Nowadays the biggest problem. Once upon a time, girls were known for stalking. Now only mobile. Your physique requires minimum exercise. You need not go for gym and exercise. If you go, well and good. You need to walk. You need to eat. There is a limit to eat. 3 times if you eat junk food, what else you can expect than heart attack? So it is a parallel growth. Equal growth. Everything is required. Protein is required. Vitamin is required. So many other things are required. Our senior peoples, your parents and grandparents were not having this problem. They were eating less. If you are from village, you understand. They used to say, they used to this much and 1 tea. Where are fruits? Where are dry fruits? Where are your so many other powders? Nothing. They were healthy. Now problem is, see, we should decide when to sleep, when to get up, how much to sleep, how much to eat, what not to eat. I am not against, okay, Coke you want, one day you eat. Daily if you drink Coke, ask the doctors, they are in your campus. It is saccharine, not even sugar. Very dangerous. That is the reason, my dear friends, let me not speak much because so many fries should be distributed. A lot of fun will be there, enjoyment will be there, and I am telling you enjoy, and I am delivering 1 hour speech. Again you will think, kya ho gaya? How many are non-Kannadigas? Raise your hand. Outside Karnataka. Why you are hesitating? Whether you are Karnataka or India or abroad, I am not worried. Okay. ಕೆಲವರು ಕಿವಿ ಕೊಡೋದವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಬದುಕು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇದೇನು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆರೆಮನಿ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅದು ಸೆರೆಮನಿ ಆಯಿತು? ಜೀವನವನ್ನು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಿಮಿಷವನ್ನು ಆನಂದಿಸುವುದು ಜೀವನ. ಅದು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್. ನೀವು ಮದುವೆ ಆಗುವ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೋಟು ಬೂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬರ್ಡೇ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ದಿನ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಏಳುವಾಗ 5:30 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ, ಹೇಳೋರು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ, 5:30 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆದರು 6:30 ಅವ ನಗಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ ಹೆಚ್ಚು 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಸೀದಾ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ನೀಲಿ ಶರ್ಟ್, ಗಡ್ಡ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಯಿತು, ಬಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ಆಗ ಆ ಟೈಮಿಂದ ಆ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಏದೋ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದವರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಒಂದು ನಗು, ಎದ್ದಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ಬರು ನೀನು ಆಯಿತು ಎಂತಾಯಿತು, ಬಾಂಬ್ ಇತ್ತ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಉಂಟು. ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿಯಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ವರೆಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲದವರಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸಿಂದ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಉಂಟು. ಜ್ವರ, ಬೆನ್ನು ನೋವು, ತಲೆನೋವು. ತಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ತಲೆನೋವು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಲೆ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಆನಂದಿಸುವುದು ಒಂದು ಕಲೆ. ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಉಸಿರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರೇ, ಮೋಹನ್, ರವಿ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಉಸಿರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆನಂದಿಸಿ. ನೋಡು, ಅವಳು ನೋಡು ನಗಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ. ನಗಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೊಕೇಟ್. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗಿದ್ದ ಉಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರೋ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿದ್ದೆ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದಿ 85 years ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿದ್ದು 2,000 ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಬೈದರು, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಜೆನ್ವಿನ್ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ಕರಾವಳಿಯ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಬೇಗ ಪಟಕ್ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಿಮಗೇನು ಮದ್ದು ಮಾಡುವ. 2 ಸಾಧನೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವ, ನನಗೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ರಿಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಬಿದ್ದದ ನೆತ್ತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಡೆವಲಪ್ ದಿ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನೀವು ಬೇಬಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಮಗ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟು, ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ. ಟಿ ವಿಯವರು ಕೊಂದಾಗಿದೆ, FM ಮತ್ತು ಟಿ ವಿಯವರು, ನೀವು ಪೂರ ಕೊಲ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಬೇಸರ ಆದಾಗ ಹತ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ, ತಪ್ಪಾದಾಗ ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾಳೆ ಎಂತ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಮಲಯಾಳಿಗಳು ನಾ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತಮಾಷೆ ಜೋಲಿ ಕಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ, ಜೋಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪನೂ ಕಿಟ್ಟು, ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ, ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಐ ಗೋ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್, all are qualified, they don't get committed, hard working, result oriented youths. Hope you understood. All are engineers, all are doctors, all are Ayurveda, all are designers, all are hotel management, all are nurses, all are physiotherapists. If you are a good nurse, you have ready offer. England, Australia, US, I am not telling go, don't go. Now India also, India is developing such a speed track, it is very fast. But to reach that level, otherwise how much salary you get, nurses? Small salary. You need to be disciplined and dedicated, commitment. To be disciplined, you need to have mental peace. To have the mental peace, you need not do anything except the prayer. You pray, God, I have full support for that. But you practice to be happy. Work area, small things happens. Complaint. Nowadays people are very experts, all complaints only. Wherever you go, there are. I have recently was speaking to one National Council chairman. He said he has built a hall, full hall, there are complaints from all over India. I said, you are not opening, it is a mad to open. It's a mad thing to open. People are, they have become experts in, complaining. The problem which can be solved in a small level, you don't understand now. You enter the industry, you will understand. You enter the service sector, you will understand. There is a difference between college and industry. The college and actual life, college and service sector. College, whatever you make, maximum season principals, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ಚರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, they may punish you, they may shout at you. You are excused, you are totally covered. One side parents are covering all your financial requirements. College is covering all your moral, side. That's what I am telling. Last 28 years, 96 to 2025. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 4-25. 29 years. 29 years, this college has not suspended any students, not debarred any students. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವ? ಆರ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್? ಐ ನೋ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಆರ್. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಒಪ್ಪಿದಾಗಾಯ್ತು, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್. ಮಂಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾನು, ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಒಪ್ಪಿದಾಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ದೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಯಾವ ಹುಡುಗಿಯೂ ಹಾಗೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್, principals may not feel comfortable. If you are youngsters, you have to trouble. The creativity, you see KG class students, they are very naughty. For 1 minute they will be crying, next moment they start their activities. See, that is human nature. Be creative, be hanky-panky, don't worry, but develop the attitude. Develop the good habits. Try to think good about others. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ BMA ಯಾವುದೋ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್, ಫೀಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ, ಶಿ ಗಾಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್, he passed, he got first place in running, he is a champion in chess. See, that itself is sufficient. The human structure is built in such a manner that is very sensitive. It is not I am telling, doctors are telling. Once you are happy, you will not be sick. Once you work, you will not be sick. Work more. With these few words, my dear friends, once again let me congratulate. Don't be under impression I am unhappy. I am always happy with my students. Whether you are right or wrong, whether you are average or extreme, whether you are below average, no problem, because we have started and developed the institution to develop the students. So complaints should not come, but feedbacks are welcome. All the principals, teachers, faculty, they are doing well, but all are human beings. Mood, temperaments, timing, occasion, atmosphere changes. Still you have any issues, Mr. Zizan is ready to serve with you. Come back with a smiling face, don't complain. Complaint is a wrong word. Feedback. So this is happening, this is happening. This is my opinion, I may be right or wrong. That will help us. Even teachers can give, principals can give. Feedback will always help the system. I am not telling me or the college to upgrade the system. Complaints, sometimes what happens, no, you are complaining in a neutral place. But if it is leaked to the person against whom you complain, the small gap starts. Then slowly it becomes like this. This is what exactly happening in India today. We are educated, we are telling we are number 3 post, number 4 economy, everything is appreciable. I admire appreciation. But what is the difference between the developed countries and India? What is the difference between US and India? What is the difference between UK and India? What is the difference between Israel and India? What is the difference between Pakistan and India? What is the difference between China and India? India is the only democratic country where people are given a chance to talk, and most of the time the talking opportunity is totally misused. Where opportunity is given, nobody talks. You see, the public system, the official system, political system, nobody is raising the voice. If the common decent man while going commits a small mistake, 100 people will come and comment about that. Because he is a poor common man. He may be educated, uneducated, he may be officer or whatever it is. Same thing when the representatives selected by you. When the corrupt officials commit the mistake, when the system commits the mistake, nobody challenges. Best example is Mangalore rain, we have enjoyed. There was no flood in the river. There was a flood in the city. This is, I don't know which 8th wonder, 9th wonder of the world. There is no flood in the rivers. Usually when we are small, we used to look at the river. Oh, ishtu etra bantu neeru ಈಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮಾರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ. ಹೊಳೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಉಂಟು, ಖಾಲಿ ಉಂಟು. Entire Mangalore, we are not able to walk because of the corrupt system. Not even a single citizen who were affected also not raised the voice. So this is a failure of democracy. Where we have to talk, we don't talk. If you get a chance to bash some of the principal, he will tell. ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅವನನ್ನು, ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I am not telling. See, whatever is right, whatever wrong is wrong. Students, you are not very young like KG class. You are not highly matured. We don't expect everybody should understand, clap. Try to think. Whether it's a government, whether it's a representatives, whether it's IAS, IPS, whether it's inspector, whether it's any system, teachers, including me. Where we have to talk, we have to talk. Where we should not talk, we should not talk. Criticizing is bad, blaming is bad, but feedbacks are important. Second, the intention of the complaint or the feedback should be good. For the upgradation, sometimes it may not be for me, it may be for everyone. Okay, so that's the second. And once again, happy time, congratulations. I don't know up to what time you'll be here, maybe 8:30. Enjoy. While enjoying, maintain the dignity. Karavali means discipline. Discipline means Karavali. I am happy, glad and proud. To all the 28 batches till today, including their parents, for maintain the dignity. Today Mangalore we have reached a level, let people talk anything. I know to my conscience, every competitor, there are no enemies to us, but every competitor, every college, they say, even chairmen of some of the college, they told, sir, we can't run the college like yours. We can't run. Whatever may be the up and down, hell with that, I am least bothered. The discipline what we have maintained, the relationship what we maintain, no one can do it. Not only existing students, when they become ex-students also. You will be surprised, I have blocked all my communication area, including what we call that messenger. My number is not available. In spite of that, I am in touch with all 25 batches. At least 1 or 2 from the batch. Some batch, very big number. Directly, indirectly, they know how to come to me, how to meet me, how to communicate me. Always I tell Zizan, this is the biggest blessing of the God. If somebody asks whether you are rich, definitely I am rich, because no other college chairman has such old students or ex-students or former students. See, that is life. That time also I was talking. Last 28 years I have been talking. Yearly around 6 to 8 functions. Whether it's a sports day, college day, designers day, whatever it is. It will not make any difference. Subjects looks like similar, but subjects are not same. Tone looks like similar, but it is not same. Only thing is you should concentrate. And I am also sure all the students will not understand it now. But again and again and again, why I am pressurized, there will be one day, maybe one full day, moon day, or one full Sunday, I don't know. You will recall my statements. That day you will understand the value of it, because life is full of experiences. When everything is normal, you will not understand anything. Only when you meet with accidents, problems, when you face with trouble, you will learn that discipline, you will have that patience. With these few words, once again let me congratulate, let me thank you, and other students, those who could not perform. See, not winning is not a complaint. I have a complaint for not participating. Such a fantastic sports day, students bunk. Today also I was told some students have bunked. Some silly reason they have. I don't know whether it is inefficiency of the principal and staff to motivate. One particular college, less students are there. This is only, telling the drama story, telling story. Their life will be only story. They will not be get that satisfaction. Every time blaming others and giving a reason. And their life will be like that only. Once you start telling reasons, you watch your parents, your neighbors, your village, your community, your classmates, your teachers. Those who tell the reasons every day. Today is hot sun. Sir, it is too raining. Sir, it's too chill. Sir, adu ollela. This is not good. That is not good. This should be changed. That should be changed. Nothing will change. Finally, they will be ಟುಸ್ ಪಟಾಕಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದಿ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್, happy approach. That's a must. So don't tell complaints. Be happy. ಈಗ after the program they may give, I don't know, ice cream or puffs. If you want find fault, this is a small ice cream. ಪಬ್ಬಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದು ಪಬ್ಬಸ್ ಬೇಡ. ಆಸೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್, ವೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು ಫುಡ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಎನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, when mother serves the food, do you have any problem? ಜೋರು ಹೇಳಿ ನೋ ಅಂತ. Then we are celebrating small cup ice cream, you consider it as a big cup. So all the best, my dear students. See, why I am mentioning them, I should not mention principal's name. It is only to see that you all become very cool. Be ready to enjoy the dance, whether dance is good or not, whether singing is not good or not. I was telling participation is important. Whether it is a college day, whether it is a sports day, whether it is award ceremony, whether it is anything and everything, participate. Then only you will be human being. Otherwise, after becoming 40, 50, now RP sir was telling, it seems I was not enjoying the college. What we can do? ಅವ್ರು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್. ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ರಘು ಆರ್ ರವಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್, ನೌ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೆರಿ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪಿಂಗ್, one happy note, that is happy noise with the clap, without any bad noise.
Great moment of pride to felicitate Miss Impana, a meritorious student whose excellence has earned her a prestigious third rank under Visvesvaraya Technological University in the Department of Aeronautical Engineering. I request Chairman Sir and dignitaries to felicitate Miss Impana with gold medal. Appreciate her efforts, dedication. pleasure to see so much brilliance, perseverance, and scholarly excellence. It's time to honor those whose achievement have soared above the rest. Now I call upon Dr. Divya to announce academic achievers. Over to you, ma'am.
Order. First is interior designing and decoration. Second will be BSc fashion designing. To start, first, Sinchana Achari from third year BSc ID&D. Please give them a big round of applause and encourage them. Next. Come on, students, it is your turn to cheer your friends. First year BSc FD. Fourth year BHM. Next, call for B Pharma. Pratigna KN, first B Pharma. Samiha, second B Pharma. Teresa Lynette Crasta, third B Pharma. Nagaveni, fourth B Pharma. Students, kindly be alert and come quickly towards the stage. Next is Farm D. Vaishnavi R from first Farm D. Sanjana N from second Farm D. Deena SV, third Farm D. Shravya, fourth Farm D. Javeria Fatima, fifth Farm D. Academic toppers, nursing. Alan Rinson, first year BSc nursing. Kartika J, second BSc nursing. Aparna Prakash. Vaishnavi, Farm D. Sanjana, second Farm D. Deena SV, third Farm D. Shravya, fourth Farm D. Javeria, fifth Farm D. Kartika J. Aparna Prakash. Bhagyashri. Call for aeronautical engineering toppers. Jitesh Kumar, first year. Vikas R, second year. Impana M, third year. Academic toppers EC. Soundarya, first year. Vinushri, second year EC. Academic toppers, computer science engineering. Punita AP, first year. Rakshita H, second year. Sukanya KB, first year CSDS. Fatimat Riza, first year CSE. Sushmita, second year CSE. Mehraz Gani, third year CSE. Saujanya Bagali, fourth year CSE. year MBA. BPT toppers, Dr. Khatija Reem, 4th year BPT, Charan KS, 3rd year BPT, Anil Ashwit Louis, 2nd year BPT. Academic toppers BAMS, Sahana Karnam, 2nd professional BAMS. Next, time to announce best outgoing students. Ria J. Kotian, 3rd year BSc FD. Varsha V. Bolar. Varsha V. Bolar, Farm D. Sneha B. 4th year BSc Nursing. Mehraj Ghani, CSE. Hesita Smita Lobo, MBA. Dr. Shreya Samir, 4th year BPT. Kriti Kumari, 4th year BAMS. Special awards from some departments. Best Fashion Designer, Sushma, 3rd year BSc FD. Best Interior Designer, Sinchana, 3rd year BSc ID and D. Best Outgoing Chef, Nagraj Rao, 4th year BHM. Best Clinical Nurse, Alvin Binu, 4th year BSc Nursing. Best Manager, Krishna Kiran, 2nd year MBA. Students, it's time to cheer your friends. Cheer them with a big round of applause. It's time to announce cultural event winners. runner-up, third prize goes to Navaneet and team CS&E. First runner-up, Atulya and team BSc Nursing. First place goes to Ria and team BSc Fashion Designing. Students, kindly note, we are announcing cultural winners. Please be alert. Western dance, second runner-up, Aisha and team and Likita and team. Aisha and team from CS&E, Likita and team from AI. Please come up. First runner-up is Anu and team BPT. And first place goes to Aryan and team BPT. And first place goes to Sri Raksha and team BAMS. Shreyas and team, second runner-up, that is third prize goes to Shreyas and team from B Pharma. Second place goes to Sushma and team from BSc Fashion Designing. And first place goes to Suprita and team CS&E. There's a call for Suprita and team for folk dance, CSE and E. Next category is cooking without fire. Third prize goes to Hesita and Vrinda, MBA. Second prize goes to Priya and Alia, BPT. First prize goes to Shazna and Ria J. Kotian, BSc, FD. Traditional Chukki Rangoli. Third prize goes to Srujana and Mamisha, BSc Fashion Designing. Second place goes to Saujanya and Mamata, CSC DS. And first place goes to Sushmita and Jyotika, MBA. students, please pay attention. Traditional Chukki Rangoli. Teammates, please come up. Srujana and Mamisha, Saujanya and Mamata, Sushmita and Jyotika from MBA. Next category is face painting. Third prize goes to Shahila and Asta, BSc FD. Carol, BSc FD. First place goes to Swasti and team Farm D. Next category is nail art. Third place goes to Avantika and Nandana from BPT. Next category is quick painting. Third place goes to Ria, BSc FD. Second place goes to Shravya, Farm D. And first place goes to Sinchana, BSc ID. Last call for Shravya from Farm D and Ria from BSc FD. Next category is best out of waste. Third prize goes to Advait and Joel, BSc Nursing. Second prize goes to Mamisha and Mandara, BSc FD. And first place goes to Ria and Shazna, BSc FD. Next category is Mehendi. Third place goes to Shahila and Sharavi, BSc FD. Second place goes to Kashish, ENC. First place goes to Nazreen Banu and Sadia, BECS. Next category is poster making. Third place goes to Fatima Reem Rose, BSc Nursing. Second place goes to Nimra, BAMS. And first place goes to Anaga, BSc FD. Next category is sports. Students, kindly be alert. Carom.
Voice is not audible, little clear, little encouraging.
winners, second place in girls goes to Sushmita and team engineering. Janani and team B Pharma. First place goes to Janani and team from B Pharma. Boys, second place goes to Rohit and team engineering. And first place goes to Nagarjuna and team nursing. Call for throwball winners. Throwball girls. Second place goes to Apurva and team AIML. First place goes to Suhaima and team CSDS. Boys. Second place goes to Likit and team AIML. First place goes to Prajwal and team CS. Last call for Prajwal and team from CS, throwball winners. Volleyball winners. Girls, Apurva and team AIML are the runner-up. First place goes to Shaba and team CSDS. Boys, second place goes to Varshan and team CS. And first place goes to Harish and team from CS. Football winners. Second place goes to Jasir and team BPT. And first place goes to Sanal Varghese and team nursing. are the winners. Last call for Darshan and team from AIML. March 1st runner-ups Karavali College and winners are Karavali College of Nursing. Students for runner-up. Championships for boys and girls. Athletic individual championship for boys goes to Sunil from third year CSE. Athletic individual championship for girls goes to Ananya Mol George from third year BSc Nursing. Cultural overall championship runners goes to Department of Computer Science Engineering. Cultural overall championship winners are from Department of Fashion Designing. Computer Science Engineering. Championship goes to Karavali College of Nursing. All sports championship are Karavali Institute of Technology.
Then a very high
Rao sir, founder, chairman and managing trustee of Karavali Group of Colleges, for your indigenous presence. Thank you, sir. I express my hearty gratitude to Srimati Lataji Rao Madam, the Director of GR Education Trust, for her gracious presence during this occasion and also for her support and encouragement in all events. Thank you, Madam, for your presence. Thanks to all the dignitaries on the dais. I thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff for the coordination and support. I extend my heartfelt thanks to the press and media for the invaluable coverage and support in making this event reach a wider audience. I thank all the students present here for making the celebration a grand success. Did not win today, remember, every step you take and your moment is just around the corner. Thank you all.